In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell memberships, courses, digital products, and coaching services on Wix. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once there, log in using your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all your sites are listed. Go ahead and find the website where you want to add subscription services and click Edit Site. Now, before moving forward, ensure you have both Wix stores and Wix paid plans installed, as they are crucial for managing subscriptions efficiently. Next up, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you will find the option for Pages and Menu. Click on that to reveal a list of pages associated with your site. Scroll through and find Pricing Plans pages and click to view more options. Now, even though this might seem intuitive, it's a good practice to always double check that everything is correctly set up. Once you're certain, go ahead and click on Plans and Pricing, which will allow you to manage your existing plans or create new ones. You're doing great so far. Now, click on Manage Plans and follow that by clicking on Get Started. Now, here we transition into the heart of selling memberships and services through a well-crafted plan. Click on Create Plan to start setting up your membership options. You'll need to enter a plan name, for instance, Premium Membership. Include a detailed description that highlights the benefits users get with the subscription. This could be exclusive content, access to member-only products, or special coaching sessions. Don't forget to describe the terms and conditions. Set the plan price and decide on the billing frequency. You can choose monthly, quarterly, or annually depending on what suits your business model. For access, make sure to assign the subscription plan to specific content or a members only area. The key here is to have seamless access for subscribers once their payment is confirmed. Remember to save your progress by clicking Save. You're almost done. Now let's set up the payment methods. Head to your dashboard, select Settings, and click on Accept Payments. Enable preferred gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit and debit cards. After configuring these, make sure to test the subscription flow. This ensures subscribers can register effortlessly. Finally, make your offer accessible. Open the page where you want to feature the subscription. Using the Wix editor, add a subscribe button or section. Link this directly to the paid plan you've just created. Personalize the text, color, and layout of the button to align with your site's theme. Once you're satisfied, click Done. Now, it's crucial to publish your page to make everything visible to potential subscribers. Test the entire process by signing up as a user to ensure everything works seamlessly. If you discover any issues, tweak them to ensure a smooth experience for your users. And that wraps up our tutorial today. With these steps, you're set to offer and manage memberships, digital products, courses, and more on your Wix site. Thank you for joining me and happy selling!